Hey guys, here comes my next video. So quite a long time I was searching for Ayurvedic products for BP issue. Then I came to know about this brand Kapiva from many articles. So I decided to order this product and maximum it took 2 to 3 days to deliver this product. So delivery service तो काफ़ी अच्छी है. But before ordering this product, I took free consultation from Kapiva. They explained me few things like how to use this BP care juice. अगर आप एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन यूज़ करते हैं तो उसे कंटिन्यू करना है या नहीं, कब तक ये रिजल्ट शो करेगा. दिस ऑल थिंग दे एक्सप्लेन मी वेरी प्रॉपरली. Now coming to the product details, the quantity is 1 liter. As you can see, one bottle cost is 649 rupees, but it cost me 780 rupees only for both the bottle, as I applied slice coupon code and Kapiva discount code. So that's it for this video guys. I will definitely share my father's review after using this product at least 2 months. And guys, if you want a detailed video on how to place the order with maximum discount and how to book free consultation, then please tell me in the comment section. I will definitely make a video on that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the video. Until then, bye bye, stay tuned.